You can transform your Instagram photos or any photos to anything you want using the power of AI without needing a beefy computer or even paying a monthly subscription. We're going to be using our phones. So are you ready? Let's get started. Open your App Store or Play Store. We're going to search and download an app called iMirror. Afterwards, open the app. No account needed or subscriptions to start. There are so many styles to choose from, but we're going to start with a realistic style first. So choose realistic and choose the photo you want AI to alter for you. Once you choose your photo, pick the aspect ratio of the new photo. Afterwards, in the prompt section, you will type in what you wish your new photo to be like or have in it. Then click draw and watch the magic happen. Wow, that's truly amazing! This AI can truly do some wonders. Also, if you look carefully, you can see 3 other renders are preparing to render. So you won't have just one image, but 3 or even 4 to choose from in variations. You can always click redraw to start the process and render a new few renders for you. Look at the HD quality it rendered of this photo. Let's go to the next style. In the bottom, you'll see more style options. You can choose between them and it'll automatically start styling your photo. This is a work of magic. Who would thought that AI can edit better than me? For sure not me. Let's go back to the home screen and check out the other cool styles they got. Let's scroll down a bit and choose Goth. I'm going to choose this photo this time. I believe this one should work great. Click draw and let's see this magic happen. Look at the HD quality it rendered of this photo. Wonderful. Let's go to the next style. I feel like choosing this time Egyptian. I think Egyptian theme would look amazing. I'll pick any of the 3 photo I got here, and let's hope for something amazing. Look at the HD quality it rendered of this photo. Let's go back to the home screen and check out the other cool styles they got. I'll speed up the video here a little bit while I show you some other styles they got. Don't forget, each style will render 3 to 4 different renders. Plenty of options to choose from. That looks great. Great anime style options with this app. Let me show you an extra feature of this app that I believe is great, and you can do some cool stuff with it. Let's go back to the home screen. Top bar, you'll see a tab for videos. Click it. 3 style options for the video currently available. I'll upload this video of Kulo Me, and I'll choose the cartoon style. Let's see what it can do. That was amazing how fast we can edit photos and change the styles without ever needing a computer or learn fancy programs like Photoshop. And to make it better, it was all free, from your phone. Hope you had fun. I know I did. Now is time to pay the price. Like and subscribe for more future videos. I probably made myself look like a fool in this last example. So that means it's time to bid you a farewell.